In this video, you are going to see how to add shadow to text in Microsoft PowerPoint. As you can see here, let's get started. Suppose I have a text box over here. Select it, make it bold. You can increase the font size. Let me increase the text box. Now if you want to add the shadow, click on the text box, go to shape format, go to text effect, go to shadow and choose this option, shadow options. And here you can choose a shadow of your choice. Let us choose this one, offset left. Now if you want, you may increase the size from here. You may increase the blur, even you can increase the angle, and you can increase the distance. Let me increase the transparency. If you want to change the shadow color, you can change it from here. Let me choose this color. If you want to change the text color, go to shape format, go to text fill. You can change the fill color, and here you will see this is looking very perfect. So hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe.